Being involved in a car accident can be frightening, especially a serious traffic collision. Here are several steps you can count on to protect yourself and your legal rights in that moment of need. First, do your best to maintain your composure. As soon as you are able, examine yourself and your passengers for injuries. Call 911 to summon emergency personnel. They are equipped to handle these precarious circumstances. The fire personnel and paramedics are trained to protect your safety and to address your emergency needs. The police can control the scene and investigate the collision and those involved in the collision. Second, make sure your car is turned off and your hazard lights are activated to alert other drivers of the accident while you wait for emergency services to arrive. If you are physically able, and if it is safe to do so, take photographs of the vehicles in the collision and the surrounding area. Get pictures of the other driver's license and insurance card, as well as the other vehicle's license plate. If there are witnesses to the collision, secure their contact information. If they are willing, record them telling you what they witnessed. Witnesses often disappear following a collision. Having their information may mean the difference between success and failure if there is a dispute as to who caused the collision. Third, go to a hospital, urgent care, or to your doctor right away. If you require assistance from an ambulance, utilize that service to avoid further injuries to yourself. Too many times we are unaware of all the injuries suffered at the time of the collision because of shock or adrenaline, so seeking medical care is critical. Also, receiving medical care soon afterward documents the injuries that were suffered in the collision. Delaying treatment when treatment is required can make it more difficult to physically heal and to seek financial compensation from the responsible party. Finally, if you suffered injuries in the collision, don't try to deal with the insurance company on your own. The adjusters are not your advocates to get you the best recovery possible. Contact a law firm that specializes in personal injury work to receive the expert guidance you will require. At the Inland Empire Law Group, we have the experience, skill, and resources to handle all types of injury cases. We say every personal injury case is personal to us. We truly believe that. Let us put our team to work to get you what you deserve from your traffic collision case.